When I was editing a video, found this footage back last year. I escaped an aquarium which I was pretty proud of, and I think, let me see, maybe it was a year ago or something, I escaped this nature aquarium and I really loved it. I did it with the stuff that I had, so I bought some easy plants. I had already some hardscape, and I decided to use some dragonstone and some mangrove wood. But I built the aquarium and it was still in the old cabinet collects, the 4 holes that I had before, which can just hold 2 tanks. Now we got a big one, and don't mind the mess. I'm currently taking this aquarium apart, but I remember it. I had a IKEA collection standing over here, and it had 2 aquariums running. I built that aquarium I think a year ago or so, and I was really happy with the end result. After I built the aquarium, I let it run for a couple of months or so, and after that I took it apart. In that period I lost the footage on my computer, and I also got a new one, so I didn't know where to look and everything was gone. So I was really kind of disappointed about it, because I lost some really great footage which I love to share with you guys. But I found everything tillbaka. I found everything. Oh yeah, easy. I found the footage back on a old SD card that I had laying around in a drawer, so that means that I can share the scape with you guys. I'm really happy. I'm sorry for the maybe bad quality on the camera, but I'm really happy that I found it again, so I can show you guys what I made, and maybe you can make it yourself too. So let me know what you think of it. I hope you enjoyed this one. So let's go to the video.